Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Delicious and nutritious vegetable soups for babies. Vegetables are a source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants vital for your baby's growth. One of the best ways to introduce vegetables into your baby's diet is through delicious soups. When to introduce soup to your babies? Babies can start having soup when they turn 6 to 8 months old and show signs of readiness for solid foods. How can vegetable soups benefit your baby? 1. Striking the vegetable intake rate. Soups allow you to sneak in vegetables your child dislikes in pureed form with vegetables they love, ensuring they get the nutrition they need. 2. Hydrating effect. The water content in vegetable soups helps to hydrate your child's body, especially if they do not drink enough water during the day. 3. Storehouse of nutrition. Vegetable soups are enriched with minerals, calcium, proteins, and carbohydrates required for healthy growth. Due to their runny consistency, soups retain these nutrients. 4. Comfort food. Some nutrients are absorbed best when warm, so making vegetable soups is ideal for winter when you want to warm up your child and build their immunity. 5. Weight gain. Thick, creamy vegetable soups are a great way to help kids gain weight. Rice or lentil soups can be served as snacks or side dishes for main meals. What makes homemade vegetable soups a healthier choice? Homemade soups are healthier as they are free from artificial flavors, preservatives, and excess salt found in packaged soups. How can you prepare delicious vegetable soups at home for your baby? 1. Spinach soup. Ingredients: 1 cup of chopped spinach leaves. 2. 1 tablespoon of cheese. 3. Salt to taste. 4. A handful of boiled potatoes and corn kernels, optional. Instructions: 1. Boil spinach leaves with salt. 2. Puree in a blender once cooled. 3. Reheat before serving. 4. Optional, add potatoes, corn kernels, and cheese for flavor. 2. Rice, lentil, and vegetable soup. Ingredients: 1. Half cup rice. 2. Half cup lentils. 3. 1/4 cup chopped vegetables, carrots, potatoes, peas, beans and cauliflower. Instructions: 1. Cook rice, lentils, and vegetables in a pressure cooker. 2. On cooling, mash them generously and add salt. 3. Reheat when serving. 4. Add ghee for taste. 3. Beetroot carrot soup. Ingredients: 1. 1 to 3 medium-sized carrots and beetroots. 2. Salt to taste. 3. A dash of pepper. Instructions: 1. Chop and cook carrots and beetroots until mashable. 2. Puree to a soup consistency. 3. Serve with salt and a pinch of pepper. 4. Tomato soup. Ingredients: 1. 1 to 3 medium-sized tomatoes. 2. Salt to taste. 3. A dash of pepper. 4. A teaspoon of butter. Instructions: 1. Boil tomatoes and peel off the skin once cooled. 2. They seed and puree it to a soup consistency. 3. Serve with salt, pepper, and a dollop of butter. Vegetable soups are not just nutritious but also delicious. They provide a range of health benefits and are a great way to introduce vegetables to your baby's diet.